So with this project, which is in partnership with the Kenyan government, what we've set out to do is to improve grain production in Kenya. So through this project, the goal is to improve the yield of maize on the continent in order to pretty much drive down prices of a staple food and make it affordable for the Kenyan consumers. So speaking about what we've currently done, the trial planting phase is pretty much the segment where we're developing 500 acres of the farmland as a way to kind of test out the different inputs and crop regimes for us to establish what's the best mixture and combination of those for us to be able to meet the yield that we are targeting. And right now we're targeting about 9 metric tons per hectare of maize to be grown. So we've kicked out the first phase of the planting for that.